Poison dart frog. The poison dart frogs are among the most colorful creatures on Earth. They live in a tropical forest of Central and South America. There are 100 different types of poison and dart frogs in total. Depending on the habitats, they found in different colors including blue, green, black, red, yellow, or gold. The striking colors of poison dart frogs are actually a warning for predators that they are poisonous. The level of poison varies on different species of poison dart frog. The deadliest one is the golden poison dart frog. They have poison to kill a number of adult men. The tribal people of Panama and Colombia use the strong venom of poison dart frogs at the tip of their arrow for hunting. It is a special species of snake which fight against poison dart frog venom. Number 2. Duck-billed platypus. The platypus is a semi-aquatic mammal that has a very rare appearance. It is a duck-billed, has a beaver-like tail, lays eggs, has an otter-like fur, and webbed feet. The average length of a male platypus is 20 inches. The smaller females average 17 in length and their weight is 1 to 2.4 kg. The adorably goofy duck-billed platypus looks less than threatening than a pet cat, but believe it or not, male platypus has a spur on its hind foot that is more capable of delivering severe pain to humans. This venom is extremely deadly to small creatures, including dogs, while inflicting enough pain to seriously harm any human affected. Edema or fluid-filled swelling develops around the wound and then spreads throughout the limb as the pain develops into a long-lasting head and sensitivity. Number 3. Dead stacker. The dead stacker scorpion is found in the dry desert and scrubland areas of northern Africa and the Middle East, making its home under stones and in natural burrows. It grows 1 to 4 inches long and it is a yellow-green color. The dead stalker can be very aggressive and its venom is one of the most toxic of any scorpion. Scorpions use their pincers to capture their prey. Those that have strong, powerful pincers have a little use for toxins, but those that do not are armed instead with very powerful venom. The pincers of the dead stalker scorpion may look large, but they are rather weak, so it has to sting its prey quickly and effectively. The sting from a dead stalker scorpion is extremely painful, but is really deadly. People with allergies or heart problems have a higher risk of death. Number 4. Polar bear. Polar bears are one of the largest and the most beautiful animals on the earth. They may be found in Arctic Circle. Polar bears are the largest terrestrial carnivore on earth. They can reach a body length between 7 feet and 10 feet, shoulder height of 4 to 4.5 feet, and weigh up to 720 kg. Polar bears are well adapted to live in the harsh, cold environment. They have very dense, water-resistant, white coat and a thick layer of body fat. With the strong paws, polar bears can also swim in the Arctic Ocean for more than 63 miles. This large predator typically feed on seals. Attacks on humans are not so rare. They attack brutally if they found you as a threat. Keep in mind that with a sweep of powerful front paws, polar bears can cut the human body into pieces. Number 5. Slow loris. The slow loris is one of the rarest and cutest primates in the world. There are 5 known species of slow loris found in Southeastern Asia. It is a nighttime primate and moves very slowly. The cute slow lorises have large, front-facing eyes and strong hands that gives excellent grip while climbing the trees. It is a truth that the slow lorises are irresistibly cute, but keep in mind that is a poisonous creature. In fact, the only living poisonous primate on Earth. They have glands on the sides of their elbows When slow lorises get threatened, these glands would release a foul-smelling toxic fluid. Then this primate licks some poison from the gland and mix it with its saliva and bite the one who disturbed it. This poison could cause allergic reaction and even anaphylactic shock. Interestingly, slow lorises has cobra-like pattern and movement. They also have an acute sense of smell which helps them to locate the prey at night. Number 6. Hooded Pitohis. The hooded Pitohis birds are brightly colored with a brick head or orange belly and a jet black head and grow to about 23 cm long. They have a crest on the top of their heads and that they raise when alarmed. Hooded Pitohis were the first birds that were found to be poisonous. They get their poison from the insects that they eat. They lay their eggs in a cup-shaped nest and the females rub the poison from their feathers onto the eggs when they sit on them. Snakes have been seen eating the eggs and then vomiting them back up. The poison is in the Pitohis feathers and skin, so if you touch them with your hands, it makes your hands numb. Hooded Pitohis are fairly common and can be found in the rainforests and the jungles of New Guinea. Number 7. Cassowary. Cassowary is a large flightless bird found in tropical rainforests of New Guinea and Australia. Cassowary is between 55 inches and 79 inches in height and up to 58 kg in weight. This amazing bird is the second largest living bird in the world. They have very long, powerful legs with sharp claws. Possibly no other living bird in the world is as dangerous as cassowary. With long, powerful legs, cassowary can easily kick down other animals or humans. They also use their long, sharp claws as a weapon to rip any potential predator into pieces. Cassowaries can hit a top speed of 31 miles per hour and jump up to a height of 1 meter, so they can chase you down quickly. Apart from their great size and aggressive behavior, cassowaries are known for their beautiful horn like the crest on the head. Regardless of being flightless, cassowaries are excellent swimmers. They also have excellent sense of hearing. Number 8. Blue-ringed octopus. The cute-looking blue-ringed octopuses are one of the deadliest creatures on Earth. They inhabit in the coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific Ocean. Blue-ringed octopuses are very small in size, only measure 5 to 8 inches in length, but their venom is about 100,000 times more dangerous than cyanide. As name suggests, blue-ringed octopuses have brilliant blue ring on their yellow skin. They have a spear-shaped salivary glands behind the head. It releases powerful venom when threatened or to kill their prey. The bite from a blue-ringed octopus is not so painful, but its venom can cause nausea, heart failure, paralysis, or even death. In fact, their venom is so powerful enough to kill an adult human within a few minutes. Also keep in mind that there is no antidote to blue-ringed octopus venom. The dangerous blue-ringed octopuses are not so aggressive. They remain hidden most of the time within their habitats. When threatened, octopuses flash their blue rings as warning. If disturbed again, they would bite and deliver the powerful venom. Number 9. Raccoon. The raccoon is a cute, medium-sized mammal inhabited in wooded areas across North America. Raccoons are known for their beautiful dance, gray fur, and dark facial mask. It is a nocturnal creature. They also found during daytime. Raccoons are extremely adaptable, live even in urban areas. You need to be careful if raccoons live around your home, because they can cause diseases and property damage. The direct attack from raccoons on humans is a rare case, but they can carry dangerous rabies and roundworms. The raccoon is a very curious creature and searches everywhere to find food. This behavior leads to damage of your properties. They destroy plants and dig out the garden or lawn. Raccoons also may attack your pets. Number 10. Swan. This largest aquatic bird belongs to the family of duck and goose. Swans live in the streams, rivers, wetlands across the northern and southern hemisphere. There are 7 different species of swan in the world. Their attractive feathers come in a black, white, gray, and orange. The large swan grows 35 inches to 60 inches in length and weigh up to 15 kg. Their wingspan measures between 6.6 feet and 11.5 feet, one of the largest wingspans in the family of birds. Surprisingly, the cute-looking swans are not so gentle. They are dangerous even to humans. Swans have very few natural predators. As you can imagine, human is a main predator, but swans also attack when they feel threatened, mainly to protect the young. With strong wings, they could quickly reach you. Then they will bite you or try to drown you if you are in the water. The injuries caused by the swans can be severe. With serious strong bites, swans can defend the predators like raccoons and foxes.
Bittersweet heat is suffocating.